welcome to Dave Hammer TV. This is where all the action is. Keep on subscriing to our channel. Omodian say Abibia will be following and get all the action. Yes, share view and then say CC and say will be a strong man and a medical or beef. I just say a coso. Na the one for you can say strong man at medical that is just by the body now. It's good for showbiz Papa B. Yes, and the showbiz Papa B, they are brand TBA. Won who are dear, Nanso, talent, Utimi, a yen yema at said ye. Dance all na Shatawali itimi ye. Na Oko school, a Bomodia Cochino, sending the baby D and Como live with the Farmer TV. So, inti say, a fee now share, subscribe channel, no, na click a bell, so. Send a bear Abibia yemba into action ubenya me wo aye abrantia Majid e wo ha sei Majid na etesɛn
Nyame adom DJ Hammer na mpacha wonso
Nyame adom boko. Tell us about yourself Majid, only why, your full name, where you come from, and a little bit about yourself.
Okay, me bacho ya me din yankasa de Abdul Majid Yakubu.
Okay.
Na me amene papa Efri Asante Achimaogu. Na ehọ na yewo me a yetete me. Na yewo me na mi hu ade. Na me start school Agugu Presby College of Education mo demonstration no. Ti me go school a do be JHS2.
Okay.
And through football no me lose sight no.
I see. Through football.
Bache
no lose sight.
Me bache
How did that happen? Through football. Football the me say ke the 9 and ke football. Na football with me lose sight sa no. How did that happen?
Okay, na yeguso aye ball na obi cross ball na se na me obi a metimi di metishe goals pa. Draw cross ball na me ko air ball na me di meti apem ahye. Timi huri na no no so de na batwe e de pem mani right no. Ti ase enuma na emuja beda mani ni su na epi muja sa nti yejimi to Agu Presbyterian Hospital there 2 weeks. To mu treat we no na say we are not doctors na say mani no me problem was so de that I say glaucoma said there.
I see.
Na true no na affect other one no na me site no work akra na e be do ba bi de madani total blind ankasa.
Wow.
Nti since then no metina fie be 5 years na me go school bi am.
I see.
To be introduced to say omo de school for the blind ni bi ababichim. Nti me first e ko honum na me go sua abreo no. Nti me sua ye ntwe no na ndie. Me fa musa na Nyame adom. Me complete JHS so nti after that no.
So look at the side.
After that no. Me sa koto aso so wanchi senior high school.
Okay, sorry.
Nti wanchi senior school no ma na ye fa mu ana Nyame adom ye twe wasi eno so 2018 last year Nyame adom eba na me papers ni ye. And I me apply for West School College of Education.
I see.
And then so Nyame adaroma omo peke me and say me level 100 me go so me to my edition so.
Wow. So all level 100 West School.
Bachelor.
Course being now here.
Me ye social RME. And me course me.
I see. So you are totally blind.
Bachelor, totally blind.
In see when you na who
Bachelor me who she see crowd the encan now saw light crowd me who say no so kokra.
Jesus. But how first na ye ba kupe na yes and e na timi affect me no sir.
Na me say na doctors say yare woman is ntina ma pressure no. Aha e wo high. Yes na say omo try omo best bia so na de be ya na be nti de no me kan say yemfa me nko school for the blind no.
Nti say omo chese unhu ade biuma na.
Okay, last time be me de kwachire oji no mo sinka ombe operation na omahwe na no mo ka ekru ewo manini so nti me ntwen na ekru no ye ya but enumu ano manini be ha me sa na nti because of junior na kwa nipa dodo ni ade nti no ye nya admission wo West School na last year na manini ha me nti me ko Finso Hospital na as omoko operate ye na omi surgery na sisi Nyame adom ni ya no ko but o man kire se o mo ya ma mahu ade no mo ya ma the way I may suffer.
Okay, which one is the first? Now you are in the Philippines.
Now the Philippines, but easy.
You are bro. Wow. Abdul Majid Yakubu. Who free enough on?
I in chief enough.
Okay.
Now say mama mo any papa mo adwuma sem na e do betina anti omo wo yi ni na wa ha no.
I see. And now when you from but still so be go school.
Bacha me go school ba.
Wow. What was your obi tonwom dada na is there music or family mo?
Bacha oda bi obi antonwom. Obi a despa say me nuanom ni bi de omo so pesha ta asem pa omo tie ni nwom ni ade me nua ba ko. And o release latest na watwe no so the me school de no so their WhatsApp me na me so ma download.
I see.
Na me tie sa.
The at what stage now who realize is what talent be with me their showcase?
Okay, me ba school mu no. De bia me ko akusua dia na me yi bi fun na me bo shata nwum na me ko. Ti na students na study me ache. Ti me na school mu ano mo frɛ me SM. Pa nti edu ba bi na se I didn't call high now. Into a can SM now. Now Miss Magic so for life is our life. Papa, now Miss Magic so papa and my school do be a me. To no money me pantina boys nay can say. Do you have me full no any day we are my me you be a midnight season perform me and me failure. Then I'm so old that be beat me up performing. To a more send there a bear main chassis in Shian in your nibi so the bear. I mean, I'm assuming a better for me. I cannot mark it because the way feeling in school is a man for Pemas and Pan. Ti Enumuno, Mission Kakra. The last level 100 for me program be at the my at the work come me a school no more fair no Mr. and Mrs. Akwaba. During that program, no, almost try said, come the maybe Kwama copy for me. But a more draw program outline almost say my man to then boys yeah senka performance so entertainment prefect no am plenty at the he crab on am so muntra so na say no ani ya eden next semester SRC week beba
okay
say the SR no me prepare for program no parent na me say ka me be performing dio I am program no kesi ankasa ewom na no face and flex of West School. Now I'm saying I'm performing on music that be no qua. What to say the overcall to say competition there because Mujimi say the me no meet me aye the chance. Pacho me phone and say this kaka.
Enyeshi.
Enti me kwa peki forms.
Mami shema.
Say obi na flash.
Okay.
I'm doing screen.
Nti me kwa peki say wo phone dey e kasa na wati.
Na mati.
Nti so we free a eboni pa ni din. Say be a Dave Hammer is calling. Na wa peki. But one kasa dey ntimi dial number.
Ntimi dial.
Ntimi dial number.
E chat bibia e di phone e bia obi.
How do you do that?
But call phone ho no mo a ye wo dial ho no nti wo keypad so na abi. Ti do don sabi sisu bia na aka kire.
You
nti wo bo 0 sa 2 ya me use sim me
okay
MTN na Tigo nti MTN sim 1 Tigo sim 2
I see
ti do be select bia na ada
okay chat ni na ye me won kakra kwa fa so chat no utimi chat obi ahun ade
ba to me type pa na ma send ni kama nti type ya
then na utimi wo kasa na agba na
ba to da bi eno so keyboard ni bie sa keyboard na arrange to say computer keyboard no hanti esro no sa QWERTY
egba na abodin no
odon sa sisu a
na abodin na kan ansana so you listen before
yes
okay omo na program is amount
ba cha software bi a omo yes omo the support yen a site no anyway
wow that's good okay dina okasa
ba cha nti me ekofa forms no na ja guys no omo bo ame ma me feli bibia na ja me de continue school do bia nim se me ba be perform here shatawale nyum kwa na me beto ba na me nim se me gina stage a metimi so de asanso e de aka ho nti omo ka so bia ntwe ni talent ya obe na me de singing and dancing sim nti eba ansande in fact boys no ne ade no muti se me ba ne the program ye start no mo ntam ba asiesa but muti se omo de two school platforms ahodo se me ba no de no ombe share home ma se ombe hwese de me nti omo bo medina me ba stage no machines no kwa no mo use no machine disappointed akra se wo hwe kwa na sound no unse da ntini ye but me manage ya se me perform ama me the way omo expect
did your best
yeah omo hu no nti me wie ni dey in fact teachers omo ba ho students no
fans
no muni na ye surprise na fans no so dey na no dey
it is say Yakubu Majid no and one here different school na so omo ndi fufu
but your school dey offer ba bia SM yeah
I see I see na adan na enye obia but Shatawale nko na opese like ye bibiti say why not anybody not any celebrity and then Shatta nko na opese like and why Shatawale
okay the tell say na me school mu say na make us Mr. Tobichin to me bad na that time na Shatta release enyumbi I dance okay sana timba na
dance okay na the Ghana tienu nyina out bitu
oh and between two kakra the but between two funi
ne mu de na out tu ni na
me metimi ato tender fire amanasi
I see
and our enyumbi also say ka okoni ko
okay and so wait okay we dey ever so
nti no na me buy no mo de sa anyum na ba na me se omo twema na na ho na de enyuma ba se kama pa obefo ba bia no mo bo ti enum ono na me sha asese me ti ni nyum ti an chesa na me nua ba ko bi nso de laptop ba na enyum bi wo so na se ni na Shatawale ne sa ebo sa anyum ti ode ba na maya yi matwe ti na me tie de wi a ne nyum ne ko na manije na the style of singing no ne ade nti de bia me ko school ba no mabisa say on fa latest mbai so de no so de we bi endi be week no releasing nti ade ba kwa na esa manije ho no nti de bia me nua so frɛ me unipa no de bia ba o nti se me nko fi ntem a na ye WSS ne basic school no nya chance nko fi
okay
tie ana makaten se on palingu ho no tinde ono so kipu anti me kwa na watweni na ama me
I see
na me so me 18 as a Shatta de bia woto nyom ne na me squad no so am no mo wo boys no so like almost so penasem anti ene ma me develop place lab no for
I see
nti me tin nyum say dia in fact na mani age pa
I see na say o perform here na manfo e chew up how do you feel
oh in fact me like I am me small feel proud pan say nipa me she me hu ade e na enyu bia nso na I mean obeka ben eni fredi say nde o bi mo kro mo nim say ye yale ne ye transferable oba nchen e bi beba no so na ade but say the dom no agimatum I mean omusifa me ankasa na broma adwene menti asentiasa na ma mesuma afili proud say I mean min dru ba bia na manya sa nipa dodo no because me ba 1100 kranche so say the amanfo nimi o magimatum e school no yes me ka to me hu bia atina hwai bi obekọ art program sa edin no any sa kwanya no onya ne sa na me hu say I mean me sha say follow Shatta na wom say me meeting da me hu no da there but the din keke na omo de to me so no atimia create chance ama dodo na
anymore
nti na ama mani age pa say the school mpo no mu ni media and se nyambo na minya chance ishia boss player na ankasa dia and ebe fine pa
okay see nyame boa na se ushia boss player na ankasa na je say bibia be fa any Abdul Majid and Yakubu and edinko eta friend SM na o say ofili Shatawale pa na o say onya hu boss player na nkasa no amanfo man fans pa mo wagidin pa bese busa na semba ko Abdul na edie ben na utimi ye ma ye frel SM ne nyum na utimi to me sana say what actually edie na ma wo ya be ka say we dey or portrait say Shatawale
Okay, media ni say nenyom ne de minim to bate ni na minim kakra to de ana ono de wi a otimi command stage no
I
eno
see.
so de en de midina stage ne dia me mfere me yima ni say me perform yankasa ana minua a wodi machi na guy ba ko bia ni no fi omo de bia me kofi a me ye band mo say omo kwatwe ni show a ota bobo na nse obebo show bi wo city mall Kumasi city mall no say me dru ya na me twi na nse me nua na frame say
Vodafone Ghana Music Awards na omoye na
and also anti show no onya ye me wo bebre
nominees jam, I think so. Nominees jam
na nse me nua frame me say wa ko perform yo Tamale kra anti eno say me ka chen say me ni share ya me ma wa download ti de wi a o perform I mean normal course ni adiri na no me so me ba video no e won say me hu but me tie ne de wi a fans no e boje so ni de wi ono so e perform o ye ni ade to musu wi na o machi say nyumbi no oto no odu ha wo yi say
okay
ti o hwete nda fire yi say o musu bi a okobo ni militants no edru ba bi na edu den dundum tenda fire say na omu hwihwe stage or na ba bi aye de no mo body so nti de na me so nya chance am ko performing no e started no man ke kam ho aba edru sa ho no de
no yes
me ka ho na ja omu so crowd no so ani ji kama
I see
nti sa na eti
Abdul Majid Yakubu. I see. Now, for how long have you been blind? Tama or call into blindness, you know. Now when you Shatawale dada now share the videos dada and I say when you fry and son I want to say obi your friend Shatawale. For how long have you been blind?
But your manino around the 208 more 278 more because now 15 years now celebrate them at the 26 and say 11 years.
Okay. That now share Shatawale.
That time the name me said that namati I know the new bandana time more.
Bandana time na. Did you say okra wa Shatawale ngwa wan share na finish show that.
Na finish show that.
And the one finish show that then who said the wo ye na say Shatawale.
Say the ana manfo e kan no. E na me so me to bibia no ye ayi hu ade ne ye de adwen no e na ye ade mu.
Okay.
Did the way obi be kan ade no a kire no. Now once would their two team. See be and they see the Nipana can bet try say na say I don't watch it so say I made the mawa immediately I be catch on what I say we your pencil na afa.
I see. Abdul Majid Yakubu SM na ye need dim come live e wo Dave Hammer TV so na branch e wo hu ade wo ye sure say wo hu ade
ba cho kra also touch crab being
sir
bacha
enti dia be na obitima ya ma ye hu se ampa se na wo kase utimi e commande utimi eto Shatawale nyom ni bi no ye no kre na nya bia wonum na wudwa
okay me beto ba ku bi no bi aja me de ko performing ni bi
okay
big boy I know they see nobody higher than Jao. If you know like me, Charlie Fimo no bow. I know like man, maybe fatty woman no. Keep your baby well, baby she be kaya yo. Because tomorrow go be another story yo. Story, make I tell you story. Shout out way there and family who say wa no bagao. What I know say one ni say she say kakado. Abra boy hard now so that she be draw. Don't make her tell you say your mother make her tell you say your mother full sweet. Messi they do muyeni na 6 feet.
Hey.
You know say shatter movement is big thing. I say if you know the jar and this guy is sweet with me. Every day naka pie. Me I sending song for the party. Okay, joint. Make her tell them say I no be mumu boy. I go they talk my mind. We make everything spot. You know they pay to the party, but
let's give it for Yakubu.
Tire with this lie. Me I tell poverty goodbye.
Okay.
Also goodbye tonight. Yeah, back my machi. Right is a fisachi. The tender fire.
Okay. So how do you write them and how do you learn it? Utia no shia na say utrot answer.
Pacho where na miti. Go no ma miti pa na minu anu so American or me ho da Japan say bi won na me dey be difficult. Meti ka chen say on train lyrics no ma me.
Okay.
Nti as you me ba school mu na yenya organizations bi on be teach laptops mai. Nti sa no de me na ma mo atwa nti ne nyum de shata nyum de mi woni dewa ankasa ni
gu wono nti wono kwani artist awone nyuma uti ana
omo artist omo Ghana ni na mi obi anyum but se mi ke mi tie nyuma na say 50 na mi tie ono metimeti on the be 45 no mo maka no 111 bi.
Okay,
so ni nyum die mi find the agro.
Okay, na Mibo, do you want to be like Shatta Wale? Do you want to be like him?
Okay, said I no one me and music no like me say that you be a metimi tire nyum ana say metimi asa obi to a na me ono no to a na me so me try say be hwe na be dey perform be ba say sa chance no be ba na say kwanya be ba sa then dey I mean ka maybe she say nka me here because I'm proud of him.
I see. Why are you proud of him?
Oh, like me ankasa me knew the way I miss if I can't find because of Onunti, sir, Vodafone Music Awards, so that night in say man that now want me because that me monitor school no more you know hall common room or me kotna hosa omunya eboni dia so be dia award with me sha to say the wo boy yashigu na say like my feeling proud to say today no program now to aswama o man wi no say na say edu ba bi na aha me kakra but all they say na ni na kan bi na music industry ni yede nti de be CBA na je de asidam nyame.
Okay, na uko common room no utie de omo keka na say na wo hwe bi
na me tie de ekoso television ono
enti no say utie na untimi hwe a ya na en how say
but like asase no na in fact na ha me pa but say ni ma hu say a be part of me na we de nyame de watu ni nti ehu hia se wotena se edwen hu na nti de bia mabusuanfo mo ka se excuse ade ba akwa o mo de pe ma asem se me situation yes me nye obi a de bia ba na meti ho di areho ne ade nti na se me follow Shatta ne ada me hu se obi aka ofie se ade na chinchina why Shatta na se bisa obi anka bisa ada no mo so kra no I mean mo mo around obia eba onu so tibi bisa unya ne latest bia ko ma hu se me pani nyum ntino always no ba me nchen ya me nya ne latest bi dia na school kra boys kra ta bisa me obia humia awards night ne be so no obia bisa me na onipa e obetimi anya de na so me ogidie bia so benya awards no bi de na so last year our boy adwuma ntino
this year
this year so sa
okay. Yade Abdul Majid Yakubu SM ne friend ewo Kumasi West School me boa
ba cho pepe
West School hono wo school na oya course be kwa na so ye
social RME
na oye ohun ade na osise ne si pe Shatta Wale asem no fili the party hia ne nyom wo de ne nyom perform enti yen country yen Thomas Shatta Wale say o die hard fan bi anani hu ade ewo Kumasi Ghana a che say o school a on tele kakra na bibi ya e call for short commercial break on nearby be busa Shatta lifestyle say no say lifestyle tie na even on that day ye bobo awards na e ti say Shatta akọ stage ne so na ama e ma ye bibi twotwitwe bam no say ne sitie na afi ye busa ne say ono ampuso the lifestyle no so first let say na yatwa so and you're still watching Dave Hammer TV ye ba sisi amen come bia. Welcome back to Dave Hammer TV. This is where all the action is. Keep on subscribing to our channel and then your Hello FM and then you yeah, the best assurance so as your protection is assured. Insurance papa now your insurance you share with them so best assurance your protection is assured. Me no ka say that's name Majid Yakubu Abdul Say the metwa. I was saying. I did now before we went for a commercial break. Let me say, Shatta lifestyle. Say what is say or hard being or gangs or new militants near there now portray so person Shatta Wale no. Na we okay.
Oh, sounds mean I mean Devia TV. And I mean who say if you ask no penifo so bu baby say do ones when is sand or so
takrache.
Auntie, and young one say I mean the real no and I mean who say Shatta ye principal man. I say Ubia, I mean Utian and Naswa or no so better say or no so ebe reply o enti na de bia man forecast onye onye say obi ti ni ba bia na ofiti anu attack ne prekope because me hu say oni obi anya anase obi attack obi I mean enko say nipa kron mean no problem ni omuntemu enti me hu say e na ye problem na e so between oni nipa na ma say you never say be a strong man and a medical o me hu say osori prekope o se ma attack no abra oni nipa no any problem bia enti de bia so omunya ese like ye mpe wa asem so dia de bia be boldin sa na obi so a osua wa asa no se wancha ne pa na so osua o kasa so a ne hwe no bebo ti mi hunu se the lifestyle no de enhye da nye ade bia e ha adwesa anka e ha adwe anka ebe koso threat to Ghana security di komum like komum allow no ma on nantinya chance kra mo shoes ahodo
I see
but onya chance ebo shoes eye freely move with the militants in the squad no chere say the lifestyle no en koso any threat to the security of Ghana
okay
nti me hunu say e ade a eye kama
okay
nti
but say how to see Shatta wo ha adwen wonye
o when dey bia me TV but me hunu say e wi ase de obia ne say the lifestyle etie obi on man ani so ohye no bi on so a nani so nya hye we dindi but one day there I say minipa na say ono no okasanti no and I want to know on wa guarantee ya na say wa release video bi na okasanti ana manfo hunu say o ha bia na say we hwehwani mo na say bisa but ono so dia o de be promote no ho eno no obia ne kwan ofa so eye na ade ma edom ehunu nti ono so de no
okay ansa na ebekọ no be kire kwan also to the command the crowd so send Shatta si command the crowd na wo kan ye be hwe no so ahwe ansa na we be free na in the day na ye Vodafone Ghana Music Award so say na o check your body na wo we ni na wa picture on said the football bi a hye no na o ko stage na ye ti say etututwe abam na enyo no ye friend no Emma program no call hibernation akovan system and so how did you feel
okay ashase no tamwa say incident ni si no omo ehwe bi no omo nya Shatta fans no ye bodi na omo se ye Shatta yanti wasole den our PFP program na se a okosa na omo kan to omo kan no omo bisa am say na am si da bi enya ade a no like obesa so yesa na say one show professionalism be say team yes sure so obesa
I see
until later no na ase omuche mu say wa full stage on na he ni say abati me frame nua bia na o monitor dey no because na omunye di ma ye ntie say the eko so ho no ntie me frame na me fan ni at na onu no em ni na say la or first rock congratulate Stonebwoy for winning that award but now o kona o move with crowd no I say no na policemen na no more around who say I mean ebe so something on the stage ntina ma say Stonebwoy so try so no so protecting ho a edi tu otwe ni say no no ba na me hu no say okọ akọkọ e wo stage ho na say because ade a eye wiase ni na ehwe bi
okay
and apart from that no Ghana Penifu Hebi.
Okay.
President ministers. Even crowns and they do be award they be shedding some because will be award that would will be a ambassador for and I say British High Commissioner.
Yeah.
When they do be the penny way war program as I say. Now Shatta no be a problem one timini no fight and as one timini no struggle by be as a baby and nipa do egu say we see na hwe na okogu ni hwani mu asesa ntina me sure say e yentokwasem ntina of course asoro no
I see Abdul Majid SM. Now, do you have the plans of also recording a single or an album?
Okay, for now, I say, maybe the other system a chance now. Be you me this at na be performing, and a yard there say a woman is to see auntie may try class other colleges now more region Muhano. They know more negotiate, say the bear, young one has a chance to be a bomb. Maybe free me school, Mudia call other schools, no so now. My my performing be said the bear will be answering sanity. The video kakra bi na metimi me de bia send o mama mu so mo dia to mu se kama.
Okay. There's a videos why performance
video bi o no but I say de wo mi phone so no ankasa no. And said that enye class na school me ko perform no cameraman bi e be try ni program ni na.
Oh, I see.
Ko hu no say afi no edit ni ade no. E dey aminsa e be kan ti dey no me mo etwa video camera e wo ho no.
Okay. Episode that's when Abdul Majid Yakubu SM in the Dinkomo Live. With Dave Hama TV. So you're still live on Dave Hama TV. This is where all the action is. Abdul Majid, the blind, who has a talent portraying as dancehall king, dancehall na Shatta Wale. Sisi ade na opese Shatta Wale. Oh, de na opese Shatta Wale. Oyema.
Okay, sisi ade me pese oyema me say me proud to say one day like obebo show we bia Kumasi side da bia na say Accra na ode me be ko bi say I mean blind ni bia ono so Trinity wa Ashanti Radio school
Trinity. I like that word. Blind me away there.
What Trinity?
What Trinity? Hey, what terms?
Wesley College, I mean, a student.
I see.
Hold my hand. So that could cry me a chance, but could be crying. I mean, or the Miko program, Bisa Keke Krana. Ubian soon say situation when Uber one and on Chesse. I mean, who be a wound to me, ain't sure. I mean, my young blind phone crown, proud to say, Yamia Buama means to me. At me, I represent two or more, sir, highest level, sir.
Wow.
And to me, proud pa say that could be, I mean, Obeko program in there.
Okay.
Yeah.
What did it?
Gotcha.
Obe performing and sound with free. I send the Shatta Wale performing. Na one celebrity be, and I say one celebrity be now 100 pain.
Bacho me said that meet you be asada.
I see.
Bacha.
Na Stone Boys is where you feeling.
Oh, also meeting in your pa there, but said the maker no money na as a Shatta de ni there. A dance on copra.
I see.
Money na more money more on. And I me pelites dear. And I me bisa say Shatta de woman and na me Eddie Bisans are my train folder Nina. The most on the woman to do.
Okay.
Na me their copy folder, but other celebrities almost on your can one. Mean the between Nina, but I don't know the purpose until now.
Okay. Now celebrity be so at one can. And I say will be at one campaign. They said yeah. Maybe the first time I'm hearing that yes will be a West School where I'm to suffer. Will be celebrity be at one campaign.
But you'll be anti cancer that this is Franco Nara or your sports journalist or Kesbin.
Okay.
FM. Dinner na ye sa program no can judges no.
Okay.
But mean say the time I may perform no around and I say no me can brand na me ma perform maybe na who say or judge amount for the no or mean or comment about almost performance.
Okay.
Tina me say during my performance on
celebrity be anymore.
Bacho da be anymore.
Ti ada obe hu Shatta Wale no. Ada obe hu Shatta Wale no dey na besi.
Oh, that be hu dey. In fact, me proud pa. Dey ba call medical and say I mean on me take picture crowd say the be I mean beat me there hear me WhatsApp DP na me be to ba bia ma obi an say me follow no I mean anye say na me dey hard and I say me dey here ikeke na me feel proud of say that could me meeting no.
Okay.
And me die so abam kama mama.
Na wangasa wo social media wo Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, any the other ones no. Oh, now who Shatta Wale is who follow no?
But you me follow no Twitter pa India. Bibia me follow no.
I see.
I say be 2 weeks ago na me bundle na me mashup nti du ba bia the other be call for say no na asana aka WhatsApp de nko anti na ma bintimi bi ho na nya yi.
Na who chatting na another who tweet ya wo hu.
Okay, bia na won shedan ni misali ntino. Nyesa last bi mi rewura mu apɛ number bi na madam fu bi say ne dia ne contact out wa frɛ no acid soda.
I see.
But mi rewura mu age number no na me fra na nipa no onfa nti edu ba bi na ase na me ha adwe no o blacklist line kra nti na nipa no ka chem say wo frɛ na wonnim na sa wo ha adwe a o be blacklist o di bi sa na
Shatta Wale sa na otie.
Then the paper no can dear but to lie be dear me nim say
sir
am pan say the paper so e di me rough na and na me am nye sure say ono ko na nipa no say me fra na me sha say fra no e ma no pa no so di bibi hia me ti no me fra no na me dey no start but na nipa ko no the way na o ye na say akwa different person
okay okay
Emma me try sending me videos ni bi ma me so say call no call be pay attention
okay
then me sure say no na
they say o bi anipa no Emma wrong line na o frɛ
sa pepe
di ka o fresh Shatta Wale ni na kasa say o dey
kam ne ka say kam me ka che ne say blind ni bi a me so me apie o west square me follow no pa ni easy activity me follow no ba DJ ne nyom ne performance mo pa anti
I see
senkada ko ebia me say na me chimcha say obakuma asekra side and ebia obema me atimi amiti na last time do be program mo na me ka say mo honum no the friends ni bi ya asenka omo de me call no mago but ni ba unim no de anaso no nte wonka de wa ko street ya e be din say obetimi amiti no tina me try say ebi anka me meet me perform na manya video bi e be serve as evidence evidence ama I mean say me defa obi so ono so e was a level no so a I mean one ne kasa no this video no so kire no kra obi hu say
okay
de ye ka no so e yampa
I see say ni na Majid aka ofili Shatta Wale pa Shatta o teme kan unua blind bi atwiniti ewo Kumasi so pa kwenya ni wa perform ntitem bi abeba tech campus bia no Shatta bomodiana na yente won kana ye Majid Abdul Yakubu suso eno performing I na o se wo videos bibri ko hia wo number kra na woni wo akasa nti that it na o se school course be na wo ye
social RME
eno no mo ye de
I say basic course na ye kocha de o DHS nti de ye no I said the DHS for this year but ye code details pa
okay
nti this semester say
what are some of the subjects
subjects now this semester ye na social ye ATR and African traditional religion
okay
nti efa we say traditional religion no the origin be free ne the we are emu personalities it says the OSSR ye CRS ne IRS no anti as o match chemu kakra say the be by the end of our 4-year course no RMB no ye better as into omume ye religious aspect no over religion we ya no more details
okay
no more for no more details into do ba bia ne aba moral aspect no
okay
apart from that no ye san ye HIV as a course
I see
e count ye English language
okay
and so can
I see
and ye san ye this semester and 6 you know you register
okay so do you write
but
you can write
ye try no ye trade bi but mistake am here say ma amfa de betwe ba ma me di bi as ya mark me work bi a
okay
e share me bad bi
you say person who perform to say Shatta Wale say ne wo kan na ye hwe say ne wo performance ne tie enti wo begina ne sei na wa perform it say Shatta Wale na say ne oti perform na me ahwe nti we pija omu kakra yesu mu ana okay say wa akra ya na mboa yama obita na
but on enyum de hina mo
oh the opposite the opposite otuya
but on the mo tender fire de no
and wa to never perform me
okay
aye tender
fire yeah me call like me go stage for now the kind command the say be am say school na manya chance na me
the mic na okay
the school dey be amanya chance na me perform here we do na mahala mu are you ready for SM to omebo age so say yi to say be so mu bi no mo je so a course ni achiche no we say if you are ready let me hear you pa until almost very reply with let the music DJ let the music flow no matter I say big boy I know they see nobody higher than Jah when they go solo the action here
okay
if you know like me Charlie if you over I know like man we be fighting woman keep your baby well maybe she be kaya you because tomorrow will be another story story make I tell you so everybody from the back Shatta we there found the one over but there's a woman that do something but I know say what he say she say kaka bro abra boy ha dance so that you do don't make I tell you say your mother make I tell you say your mother full shit they see they don't know that say spit you know say Shatta movement in your big thing and then if you know the down and then you say every day I come and party. We are sing this song for the party. Okay, joint. Make I tell them say I don't be mumu boy. I go dey talk my mind. They make everything spoil. You know the way to talk about but we need them with that.
Okay, let's go.
With this, like I'm going to do tender fire.
Okay.
Then boom, get the room tender fire. Tender fire.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, that's a chair. Okay, great. That's Abdul Majid Yakubu performing Shatta Wale Tender Fire. Okay, Abdul, you ever see around the app near call? Well, we be follow on social media. Send you also walk social media. We be follow on Facebook or be coin. Na what me follow. Na no yam wa bia say bia so bi wa. Na wo ade so yam wa. Wo de ndie wo de okay.
Oh, be yam wa pa.
I see.
Go say me I say malusu me father na me bra na say wo hwe me kakra sa antino.
Okay.
Anti emwa de me hia bi pa.
Ene fa wo number to dwa bia no bi be mobile money kra ma wa fa wo number to dwa.
Ba cho be number 0545 490 425 0545 490 425
Saka bi number ni here pa
0545 490 425
okay biom
0545 490 425
okay na social media Facebook dimbe na do
eno Yakubu Majid eno Facebook
ti amon follow
ba cha
SM
ena Twitter no say @YakubuMajid4
@YakubuMajid4 okay
ena Twitter no say @YakubuMajid5
okay
ba say Twitter ni we no Instagram
okay
and no say me say dan fa bibia ntutu ho me ye ya chede but
okay
me say dan fa bibia ntutu ho sa
minim aseda bi wo be say wo dankofo bi mo boa wo kwan da ho
in fact aseda de me bibia ma sa minua na make wo di machi no
okay
in fact oboa me pa de bia nyum no ba ya na wa frem no school Agbo State obi this year
okay
still na not try say wonya chance bia obe bomodiana wa di bia onam net santi Shatta really nansi ya o release enyum bi o de send last week no de send the title the formula
okay
and about so the congratulate say o de send me kranche
okay
anti onu me dana se pa say I mean okoso our time achi e fe no Naziru Yakubu and na my friends no so am no mo buy no guy baako ono ana me de bia na otumi foa se me yire me ho na me nkomani me yire me ho na me pefo be na me ya na eden ya dako me nyu obi oyi good na waya yi anam no so ama mahu chata tina me ne madam fo baako edi nkomo na obo odi DJ Hammer o Hello FM na me so one kana metati entertainment program pa Saturdays.
Okay.
Na metati pa.
O tati be pa.
Acho na metati pa.
I see.
To kana so we de enye nipa foforo e ma me. Nti se sa na te dia ande e wo so no onime. But meje ne number na ma de me na kasa.
Okay.
Ti meje o contact no. De bia me no kasa wo so welcome me in fact na mani ade de bia me na school nkra me nye mbesi anso na me di to me humpo. Na ma ye proud to say ya because we born my immediate abe friend na we be kan wasem na omunim say enya kan say obi ani afra we be say scan na so be jati no obi a be pay attention no
I see
e the amount to crowd me sell credit esa afra me back
oh yeah
any ade or bitimi o class member me score na e wa na ni na e mama ni agi say I mean baby am dey fine no nyame adaru man be there for baby ye pan na mani agi say eden ya minyi bishia no probability say me say me do Shatawale one day or high but na mani age
okay
ti me be meet you then me sure say nyame ya ya wi ti me
ami Abdul Majid Yakubu ena yenene din komoyi o perform Shatawale Tender Fire so I now go no crowd one go be my perform Tender Fire untimi the moye say man why are there ye be see ya the Farmer TV Koswana Bibia share subscribe to our channel na click the bell so Abibia e be mo hu de e ko nyina ye da Abdul Majid ase obesa call back to Wesley College na wakotoa addition so sabere de Shatawale ana ye to sankra ya man shata unia bi atwiniti wo Kumasi o unia bi onani hu ade se ni osi fili wo pewasem no on saka video ya na so hu video ya bomodia se obema ono so ate oka Abdul Majid Yakubu aka SM West Coast na da mo so ma se mo so abranti mu ye na mo jeje ne so o so backstage crash ne mo bodge ne so kra no e ya na efekeke ti ye da ma se mama arrange mama ye say ne wa o ti nya chi ne re by giving him all the fans of backstage as ne mo si ye no o se ya na ni so party mo ko so ha healing this na obey hit David na obey hit Adu ye di besi ya
bachi o be da masika
dia na catch your fans o mo big ups
me fans mo me dedika no me boss na ankasa big ups any the militants in this captain 77 million me mo million big ups na West Coast boys no kari kwa me any guy na on by Elijah onso na afato no so say o say yenyendu ba bia batade bia ebe hia se obidi mbekọ baabi ebe fanse obi o manage me na o de me kọ baabi obidi duma bi ni na wafato no ho so a oye mame ha no mo Downwell boys ni na even West Coast boys ni na dini the doors no ntimi go na ladies ni na like obi up over campus
na wangasa girlfriend
the Dabi
ade wo baby anase man na empel
entisa say come no so me say too early to do me bumper say bia ya me bo na
okay we forget back no ware on
batch yourself
okay thanks so much anyway every Dave Hammer. I'm the host for Showbiz Papa V, and as I said that I'm Showbiz Papa V on Dumdumi Anniversary. Thanks to Shadrach of Hello FM for always being at our back, to Go Promo, Swagat, and to Sankofa Media, to Sunset Hotel, to Best Assurance, Sabibia Oboy Chido. It's been a wonderful day, and it's been so inspiring interview. Keep on watching us, comment, and we will reply also. Message you background.